Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now at the device list click the information icon near to your speaker, and at the last line we have the button Forget this device. You need to tap at this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your speaker, but leave it at the device list, and in the future you can reconnect your speaker, select disconnect button, because with Forget this device button we will totally remove the speaker from the phone. And let's do this. So forget this device and forget device. Now we can turn off the speaker. At the top, at the left side, right here we have power button. Just press and hold the power button, you will hear the prompt, and also there will be no LED light at the buttons. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!